legend tag is used to put the content in the box, in one box, and legend tag is used to put one type of title for that, and we have same field set tag for that and legend tag for that. Okay, so let's start field set tag, and remember that we have to put this whole form into the box, so we have to put the legend field set tag here. Field set tag, open, and let's close it down there after the form tag. It's closed. So we have the field set tag closed here. We have the form in the field set tag. After that, let's see it after saving this in our web page how it looks like. Now it is in a box, as you can see. And let's learn the legend tag. Legend tag is used to put one title here. So for that we have to take one title. So let's take this one and let's cut it and let's paste it here, and let's put this one in let's put this one in the legend tag. Let's close it there. Okay, so we have now our web page ready. We'll see this one in our web page as a title of the context. Please enter your name here, and we can set this one also like this here. So let's do it. We'll cut it, then we'll paste it. Also here, when we save it, and now when we see it here, we see like this, but there's a problem like this, so we can exchange this, but we don't want like this. We just want this to be as it is. So let's take this one, delete it, and let's just paste it here. So it's good like this only.